Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes. A little bit of everything. We're having an unseasonably cool day. Thank the Lord. So we're around 85 degrees. We'll take it. A little bit of rain coming in off and on, but it's not nothing heavy. Just a couple of sprinkles. So as you can see, we've been busy around the farm, and I'm kind of disappointed that I'm not getting enough pickling cucumbers to make to do a batch, I should say, a batch of pickles. So there's a hack I'm going to show you how to do, and it's really easy. I'm very excited about it because they turn out quite well. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As my pickling cucumbers start coming in, I'm bringing them in and I'm chilling them down, and now I'm going to slice them up. Now if you want them to look kind of pretty like, get you one of these handy dandy slicers that has a squiggly serrated edge. Now I did cut the ends off of my cucumbers, and look, that little serrated edge sliced them up quite nicely. So let me finish these two. I went ahead and smashed up a couple of cloves of garlic that my good friend John gave me fresh from his garden. Now I'm just going to pop them in my jar. Now let me show you what my top secret is. Ta-da! So you can go get you a gallon of the best made dill juice. Just the juice. I got this at Atwood's this morning. It was about $7, and I'm going to just top off my jar with this dill pickle juice. I'm going to push everything down in there. Might top it off a little bit more, and that is it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and it's going to refrigerate for about 7 days, and I'm going to have fresh, crunchy dill pickles from my garden with a little bit of help from Best Made Pickles, which we love. They're done here in Mansfield, Texas, which is about 20 minutes north of me. So we love our Best Made. So you can't get any easier than that, can you? Just slice up your cucumbers. You can add a little bit of garlic to it, add a little bit of onion if you want to, and just pour that good old dill pickle sauce or juice over it and let it sit for about 7 days, and you'll have you some crisp refrigerator pickles fresh from your garden for your cucumbers if you don't have enough to do a pickling run, and we don't. Sad to say, we don't. Anyway, so if you have like an empty jar or a half empty jar of your pickles, go ahead and consume those if you need to, and then you can add your cucumber slices to that, and you will have a wonderful dill, fresh, crisp dill pickle to it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. We love you all. We're enjoying this cooler weather. We hope it holds out. Happy 4th of July. Tomorrow we'll be busy, and me and Miss Bear will be headed to the La Quinta, which is not my favorite thing to do. This is not my favorite time of year this year. But anyway, happy Independence Day. God bless America. God bless you. We love you all.